Today, I'll show you how to delete your Substack account step by step so you know exactly what to expect and don't miss anything important along the way. If you've decided Substack isn't for you anymore, or you just want to clean up old accounts you're not using, this walkthrough will make the process simple and straightforward. First, open your preferred web browser and go to substack.com. It's best to do this on a computer or a tablet because the layout is a bit easier to navigate than on a small phone screen. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're signed in to the account you actually want to delete. If you manage multiple newsletters or use more than one email address, double check that you're logged in with the correct one before continuing. After you're signed in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is often called the menu icon or the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 lines. This will open a side menu with a list of options related to your profile and account. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This section is where Substack keeps all of your account controls, including profile details, email preferences, and, importantly, your account management tools. It might take a second to load, especially if you have a lot of data associated with your account, so just give it a moment if the page doesn't appear instantly. Once you're on the settings page, you'll want to scroll down. The delete option isn't at the very top because Substack doesn't want people to click it by accident. Slowly move down the page, and as you scroll, you'll see sections covering different aspects of your account. Keep going until you reach the area where you can manage or remove your account. There, you'll see an option that says Delete Account. Take a moment here before you click. Deleting your Substack account is usually a permanent action. It often means losing access to your newsletters, your subscriber list, and any drafts or posts you've published under that account. If any of that is important to you, you may want to back up your content or export any information you want to keep before you continue. When you're sure you're ready, click on Delete Account. At this point, Substack may ask you to confirm your decision, sometimes by re-entering your password or clicking a confirmation button in a dialog box. This extra step is simply there to make sure it's really you making this change and that it isn't being done by mistake. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Once you confirm, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Depending on how Substack handles removals, some data may be removed immediately, while other parts may take a little time to fully process on their servers. And that's all there is to it. You've gone to substack.com, opened the main menu, navigated to your settings, scrolled down, and selected the delete account option. By following these steps carefully and making sure you're working on the correct account, you can confidently remove your Substack presence when you no longer need it.